What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about the best investing and breaking news with everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, we're going to be talking about Solana and that we've hit our target goal of $105. So we're going to go on to see what is building the news and bringing this price up to the 105, something really interesting and exciting in the Solana universe. And also we're going to be doing a little bit of a charting to see what the bullish trend and the bearish trend could look like in the short term. So with that said, let's begin. Right now, Solana is currently holding in 8th place on the coin market cap with a 24-hour trading volume of 15% and a 7-day trading volume of 45%. And if you compare it to its competitors, say Cardano and Ethereum, it's doing quite well. It's one of the only ones in green. So the question is, why is it pushing up? Well, let's check this out. So recent news came out where Solana's burn event could be coming. And why this was kind of sparked was because on their website, they had posted something that maybe hinted to burning their tokens. And what does that look like? Well, they called this Solana Ignition event. And if you go to their website, it looks like this. And, you know, when I see something with a lighter and fire, automatically, if you're in the crypto universe, you think that this is related to burning tokens. And we know burning tokens is quite nice, you know, with Ethereum, with the EIP 1559. Burning Ethereum tokens makes it a little bit more deflationary, meaning the scarcity of Ethereum becomes greater and greater over time. It may not be overnight, but still it's not inflationary. So it makes it more of a acquired asset. So Solana is going to be hopefully doing the exact same thing. If you did not know, Cardano had speculated that there may be another burn event coming for that. But what Charles Hoskinson said about Cardano was, you know, they don't have a proof of burn in place. They have a proof of burn protocol that allows developers to use the Plutus program to develop ways to burn the ADA tokens themselves. But again, it hasn't started. So right now, Solana is taking the spotlight. And because of the whole NFT craze and you know, basically this burn event coming up, there's a lot to expect. So now moving on with the chart, what do we expect Solana to reach? Right now, we've already reached our goal of 105, which predicted in a previous video, which I will play right now. Let's see where the price target is. So I think if we bounce off of here, we can actually see a price target of, say, right here, we bounce, and then we can go all the way up to the goal of 105. So that is my price target. This is where I'm actually aiming for, you know, maybe to take profits or to hodl. So as you can see from that video, we hit our goal of $105, just as I predicted. So I want to give you some different scenarios, a bullish, bearish, and somewhat of a trading sideways scenario. So as you can see here, we had broken out of this wedge. And after that, we had started to ascend to all-time highs. And look how it is above the AMA ribbon right here. I mean, that's the most important thing, is that when you're trading, you want to see how the market's reacting. And over here, we were taking a slight dip underneath the EMA ribbon, only to find ourselves back up above the EMA ribbon, going upwards. And so as you can see, with the green line, we're trending upwards. And we're heading into a bullish scenario. So right here, I developed this blue line, as you could see, and that was created because we wanted to see on previous trends, like over here, we went from the low to the high, and then just by coincidence, it is very similar to the low high here. So if you take the same line, put it right here, we're hitting our goal of around 123. That could be a safe bet if we're heading in a bullish scenario. But to be very honest, I would not be surprised if we decided to take a pullback, bounce right here, and come right back up. Or another scenario is we decide to go up, but we take a little zigzag and then we trade down, and then we're right here at the support level of around $81. So there are two different support levels that we could bounce off, which is 97 and 81, 82. So those are support levels. And I would not get scared. I would not sell. If anything, those are great buying opportunities. So these red lines are buying opportunities. But again, if we end up breaking through both of these lines, then we could head down further. But I just don't think that's going to happen given that we're in altcoin season and that we're heading into new all-time highs. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this. Right, actually, let's get rid of that. And we're going to do a Fibonacci retracement. So we're going to go here from the top to the recent low bottom, right? Whoops. And let's see where this will take us. So right now, my estimate was, okay, we'd be around 123, but we could reach as high as 140. That is correct. So, I say that we could reach a new all-time high between 120 to 140, 140 being the nearest high that I think we could possibly hit. And again, Solana is just on a tear right now and is completely bullish at this very moment. And on top of this, hopefully a Solana burning event, that'd be really interesting. And if you haven't, be sure to register here, put your email down, and just kind of get up to date of what's going on. But that's just where I see the scenario is. So let's see if we meet our goal of hitting between the 122 through the 140. And if we don't, we'll bounce right back to the 97 or 81. Again, these are two buying opportunities. And I just want to state that, a lot of people were curious, is it too late? Is it too late to invest because it's too high? And, people said that around the 70 range, 80, 90, 100. And they've always been pretty much scared. And this is you have to dollar cost average. Because if you dollar cost average, that means you're not putting all your funds in one basket. That means you always have money on the side to buy dips or to put more money in. And so for me, I always dollar cost average and I don't put all my eggs in the basket. So just take that as just my financial opinion. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is just financial entertainment. So I hope that this has been very helpful, guys. If you have a different price target, please let me know down in the comments below. I like to know your thoughts and if you're bullish on Solana. And if you are a Solana holder, make some noise. Let me know why you like Solana and what you think this Ignition Solana event is going to be. Other than that, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.